It's been almost 3 weeks now since that powerful storm pounded the area. Now, since then, crews have been picking up tree limbs, but homeowners say not fast enough. 2 News multimedia journalist Rico Bush tells us it could be more than a month before all the mess is picked up.
The city initially said tree debris piles like this would be picked up in a month, but we're hearing it could take several more weeks. And because of that, patience here in Midtown is running out.
I think it looks just really trashy.
Piles of tree debris still sit in front of Amy King's yard. She says it's becoming a huge headache.
It's pretty much like this everywhere in our neighborhood, and I live Midtown, and everywhere I go, there's still lots of stuff on the streets.
Nearly a month after the city of Tulsa announced its tree debris pickup plan, the city says it's picked up more than 160 football fields of debris. But Midtown homeowners say they aren't seeing any progress. Amy has yet to see any green waste crews in her neighborhood.
It's been a month and it's still sitting there.
It's a process Amy says is taking too long, and she wants the city to move faster. Although she understands the city is dealing with an unexpected problem, she wants officials to do a better job at keeping homeowners informed.
I definitely don't think the city's doing a good job on the cleanup part. I would really appreciate it if the city would just communicate to us.
Like many Midtown homeowners, Amy hopes for changes in the future. Many homeowners tell us they prefer the city target areas hit the hardest instead of starting from the outside and working toward the center of the city.
Who wants that big pile of mess in their front yard with no known time when it's going to be taken care of?
I just want to see something happen.
As for the reason it's taking the city so long, we're simply told it's just way too much debris than the city anticipated. Reporting in Midtown Tulsa, Rico Bush, 2 News works for you.